Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Alice. Cô chào các con, cô Alice đây. Hôm nay cô trò mình lại tiếp tục chữa bài về giới từ chỉ nơi chốn nhé. Now, where is the animal? Now let's look at this bird. Where's the bird? The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. Where's the panda? The panda is near the iceberg. The panda is near the iceberg. Where is the frog? Where is the frog? The frog is behind the stone. The frog is behind the stone. Where is the butterflies? The butterfly is flying over the pond. The butterfly flying over the pond. Where is the dog? The dog is in the box. The dog is in the box. Where is the cat? The cat was hiding under the bed. The cat was hiding under the bed. Okay, now please remember in, under, over, behind, near and in. Các con nhớ học các giới từ hàng ngày để chúng ta có thể nhớ lâu hơn nhé. Goodbye, see you next time.